The solar system, our cosmic neighborhood. Above us, beyond the blue sky, lies a vast and mysterious world. A world filled with planets, moons, dust, ice, and endless darkness. It is our home in the universe, our cosmic neighborhood, our solar system. Today, we will take a journey through space, from the blazing sun to the frozen edges of the Kuiper Belt. We'll explore planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and the fascinating secrets they hold. So sit back, look up, and get ready to travel across billions of kilometers without ever leaving Earth. Part 1. The Sun, the heart of the solar system. Every story needs a main character, and in our solar system, the Sun is the hero. The Sun is a gigantic, glowing ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. It contains 99.86% of all the mass in the entire solar system. Without the Sun's gravity, all planets would simply drift away into space. Deep inside the Sun, nuclear reactions turn hydrogen into helium. This releases enormous energy, enough to light and warm the whole solar system. The Sun gives us heat, light, seasons, weather, life. If the Sun were the size of a door, Earth would be the size of a coin. If the Sun disappeared, life on Earth would freeze in minutes, and our planet would become a dark, lifeless rock. The Sun is not just a star, it is our star. Part 2. Mercury, the swift planet. Closest to the Sun is Mercury, a small rocky world. It's just a bit larger than Earth's moon. Mercury races around the Sun in only 88 days, the fastest orbit of any planet. Even though Mercury is closest to the Sun, it's not the hottest planet. That title goes to Venus. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, so heat escapes quickly. Daytime temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. It's a world of extremes. Hot enough to melt metal, cold enough to freeze gas. Part 3. Venus, Earth's evil twin. Second from the Sun is Venus, about the same size as Earth, but that's where the similarities end. Venus is wrapped in thick, poisonous clouds made of sulfuric acid. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury, with temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius. The pressure on Venus is so strong, it would crush a human instantly. Its clouds reflect so much sunlight that Venus is the brightest object in the night sky after the moon. A beautiful planet from afar, but deadly up close. Part 4. Earth, the blue planet. Third from the Sun is our home, Earth, the only known planet with life. Earth is special because of liquid water, breathable atmosphere, a magnetic field, perfect temperature range. About 71% of Earth is covered in water. Our atmosphere contains the right mix of gases, including oxygen, to support life. The magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation. Earth orbits the Sun in 365 days and rotates in 24 hours. These cycles give us day and night, seasons, and climate patterns. So far, no other planet has shown the same balance of conditions required for life. Earth is truly unique, a blue marble in a dark universe. Part 5. Mars, the red planet. Next is Mars, known as the red planet because of its rusty, iron-rich soil. Mars has huge volcanoes, deep valleys, and polar ice caps. The tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is found here, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Today it is cold, dry, and dusty, but evidence suggests water still exists beneath the surface. Because Mars is similar to Earth in some ways, it is one of the best places to search for signs of ancient life. Future missions may even send humans there. Part 6. The asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, a region filled with rocky objects that never formed into a planet. These range from tiny pebbles to dwarf planet Ceres, which is nearly 1,000 kilometers wide. Despite what movies show, the belt is not packed with rocks. In reality, asteroids are spread far apart. The asteroid belt helps scientists understand the early solar system, the leftovers from planetary formation. Part 7. Jupiter, the giant of giants. Now we reach the largest planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has at least 95 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Some of these moons may even have oceans beneath their icy surfaces. Jupiter's enormous gravity also acts as a shield, pulling in comets and asteroids that might otherwise hit Earth. Part 8. Saturn, the ringed beauty. Next is Saturn, the planet with the most spectacular rings. The rings are made of ice, dust, and small rocks. They stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers wide, but are incredibly thin, sometimes only a few meters thick. Saturn is a gas giant, light enough that it would float in water if you could find an ocean big enough. Saturn has more than 145 moons, including Titan, a moon with lakes of liquid methane and a thick atmosphere, a world unlike anything else in our solar system. Part 9. Uranus, the tilted planet. Uranus is an ice giant, filled with water, methane, and ammonia. Methane gives it a pale blue color. What makes Uranus unique is its extreme tilt. It rotates on its side, like a rolling ball. This means it has strange seasons that last decades. Uranus is also one of the coldest planets, with temperatures dropping to -224 degrees Celsius. Part 10. Neptune, the windy world. Farther out is Neptune, the last official planet in our solar system. Neptune is a deep blue ice giant with the strongest winds recorded in the solar system, over 2,000 kilometers per hour. It also has storms and dark spots similar to Jupiter. Neptune is a cold, distant world, taking 165 years to orbit the Sun. Part 11. Dwarf planets and the Kuiper Belt. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy objects. Here we find dwarf planets including Pluto, Eris, Haumea, Makemake. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet because it does not clear its orbit of other objects. But Pluto is still fascinating, with mountains of ice, a thin atmosphere, and a large moon called Charon. The Kuiper Belt is like the asteroid belt, but much larger and filled with icy bodies. Part 12. The Oort cloud, the final border. Even farther out, so far that no spacecraft has ever reached it, lies the Oort cloud. It is a giant sphere of icy objects surrounding the solar system. This is where many comets are thought to come from. The Oort cloud marks the outer edge of the Sun's influence. Beyond it lies interstellar space, the space between the stars. Part 13. Comets, meteors, and other wanderers. Our solar system is full of smaller travelers. Comets, dirty snowballs of ice and dust. When they get close to the Sun, they grow bright tails. Meteoroids, small rocks in space. Meteors, meteoroids that burn in Earth's atmosphere, creating shooting stars. Meteorites, pieces that reach the ground. These wandering objects help us understand the early solar system. Part 14. Exploring the solar system. Humans have explored the solar system with robots, telescopes, and spacecraft. NASA's Voyager missions traveled beyond the planets. The Hubble telescope captures distant galaxies. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance explore Mars. The James Webb Space Telescope reveals incredible details of the universe. Piece by piece, humanity is uncovering the mysteries of space. Part 15. The solar system's future. The solar system is constantly changing. Stars evolve. Planets shift. Comets wander. In billions of years, the Sun will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus, and maybe Earth. Eventually, it will shrink into a white dwarf. But our solar system still has billions of years ahead. Time for future generations to explore and discover even more. Closing. From the Sun's blazing core to the icy edge of the Oort cloud, the solar system is a place of beauty, mystery, and wonder. Each planet, moon, and comet tells a story about where we came from and where we might go. Thank you for joining this journey through our cosmic neighborhood, a journey that continues every time you look up at the night sky.
Hi friends, I'm your white fairy. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.